Kawaii Toy Collector, and in today's video I'm going to show you guys how to make shower gel slime. So yeah, also guys, the hashtag notification squad for my last video is also remember, please leave a like and subscribe to Kawaii Toy Collector, and the comments down below give us some video ideas. So let's get right into the video. Okay guys, so in today's video I'm going to show you guys how to make shower gel slime. So I haven't done a video yet where I showed how to make shower gel slime, and a few of my videos back you guys liked them, and I actually showed different ways how to make body wash slime and shower gel, and body wash is very similar. So I thought I would show you guys today how to make shower gel slime. So the ingredients you guys need to make this slime recipe today is shower gel. And you can use any type of shower gel. This one actually came from the dollar store, so if you think shower gel or like shower gel is expensive, the Dollar Tree literally has it, and this one works amazing for it. I already tried it out. It's by BodyCology. And you can also use any other shower gels like this Adidas one I have here. I'm going to be using both of these for the video and seeing how they work out. You guys will also need a bowler plate to make your slime in. I'm just using these bowls. And last but not least, you guys will need a mixing tool. So we're first going to get out our bowler plate, and we're going to add in our shower gels. So I'm first going to add in the Adidas one right here. And this one is such a pretty blue color. I love light blue shampoos or shower gels. I feel like they're so pretty. And then now I'm going to get out this one, and this one is kind of hard to get out, so I'm just going to like pour it in like this. This one's so thick already, you can already tell. So that's why I think you guys should get this one from the Dollar Tree. I actually found out of this one from Tik Toc because somebody was talking about how this one works really good for like your skin. It like makes your skin really soft, so I just thought I would use it for a video. And look at those two together. That's so pretty. Yeah, so here is the shower gels you're going to need to make it. And then all you got to do now for these is you're just going to have to mix it up. So I'm going to get mixing the Adidas one first, and this one is a little bit on the thinner side, so you're going to have to mix it much more. Okay, that's enough mixing for the Adidas one. You can see it's all bubbly now and it's not really clear. And then now you're going to get mixing the other one, which I have right here, and look how pretty that is. This is just such a pretty color. Also, I'm sorry if you hear noises, I'm outside and filming. And it's so thick already that like you don't need a lot of mixing.
Gonna mix it a little bit more.
That's enough, and you can already tell it's so thick, and now it kind of looks like Jello. That's really weird. Okay, and now all you got to do for these is you're actually going to pop them into the freezer, or put them into the freezer for about an hour and a half, and every 30 minutes you're going to take them out, mix them up, see if they're working. If they're not working, leave it in a little bit longer. I always tell you guys that, because sometimes no glue slime recipes fail, and that's okay. So I'll see you guys in about a second when they're done. Okay guys, so it's been about an hour and a half to almost 2 hours, and here are the soaps I used, or body gels, shower gels, and I can tell, I can see that they work. This one kind of looks the same, but I'm going to see how it turned out. So this one was the BodyCology one. It's a bit sticky, but you can tell right away that it's kind of like a slime. Sorry if it's not focusing well. Also, I'm sorry if you hear my dog in the back. It's very pokeable, so this one is such an easy one, and it's from the Dollar Tree, and it works already pretty well, even without putting it in the freezer or refrigerator. So this one is a win-win on my part. Okay, now I'm going to check out the Adidas one and see how this one turned out. And I can tell it's a slime formed in it. And ooh, kind of like a no-glue slime formed in it as well. It's very watered down, but it turned into a pretty cool slime. Trying to show you guys very well, but it's so sticky. I feel like I should have left it in just a bit longer for this one. Yeah, it's like going everywhere, but this one turned out cool too. See, like a slime formed. Yeah, so both of them were a win-win for this video. Yeah, but definitely both of them turned out very well. And they both are a win-win. I feel like the Dollar Tree one worked a bit better, and that's very surprising because this one was only $1 and this one was from like Marshall's or something my mom got for like $4 or $5. But both of them turned out amazing, and I hope you guys try out these recipes. Please put down in the comments if it worked for you. If it didn't work for you, I'll try getting back to you and commenting back, and I'll comment back to you some like helpful ways to make it turn into actual slime. But yeah, also guys, I hit 700k about maybe 2 weeks ago, and I just want to say thank you again for that. In my last video I talked about it a little bit more. But for the giveaway, it will be a surprise giveaway. I'm going to announce how you can enter it and stuff in my community page on YouTube, so make sure you always check in my community page. I always post updates on there. The giveaway will actually be announced sometime today as well, so keep checking on there, and I'll make sure to keep you guys postponed about how the giveaway is going to work, how you can enter, and everything. But yeah, I love you guys so much. Thank you so much for watching this video. If this video turned out for you pretty well, please put it in the comments as well. Bye guys, I love you, and peace, and thumbs up for no glue slime recipes. Bye!